So today in Microscope lab, my sixth graders were looking at ciliates, protozoa that are covered with little microscopic hairs called cilia. In particular, there's one we were interested in, the microscopic hunter called Didinium. It's a fairly voracious predator of paramecium, those slipper-shaped cells that everyone's familiar with. And we were looking for hunting, as you can see kind of going on in the background here. And I had a group of students who discovered some that were going through reproduction, particularly binary fission. They were splitting in half, end to end like this, and that can often last for half an hour or more. And these guys got really focused on it, filmed over 15 minutes of footage until finally they got the magic moment where they split. And here it is. I'm sharing this with you because it's the first time in my 30 plus years of teaching that I've ever had students record this species doing this. So at the moment they split, it was the end of class and the classroom just erupted. It was one of those great moments in teaching. Hope you get a kick out of it too.